Hello again. Are you well? I hope you're doing well. We've come a long way. Now we're going to add to it and add a D chord. D chord everywhere. Love it. Beautiful D chord. So many, you may recognize the sound of it. Again, this is a 4-string chord. So we are not going to strum the low E or the 5th string, the A string. Rather, we're going to start here at the D string and strum down the top 4 strings. Here's what we'll do. We have the first finger, so open D, that's our root, it's a D chord. Now we have our first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, all right? We have our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and we have our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. This chord gave me difficulties. It really did. It took me a long time to get all of these tones to work out. Granted, it wasn't as difficult as the bar chord for me, but there's a D chord. Open D. Make sure each of those tones are ringing out. There's your D chord. That's a D chord. Now, in the play section, just to get used to this form, we will slide it around. So we have the D chord at the 2nd fret, so 1, 2, 2nd fret, 3, 4. We move it up 2 frets and then back 2 frets, so there's a D chord. And then this is kind of like an E over D. That's you'll see how that's how you will see it written. So there's D, and then we move it up. I find that moving shapes around not only the excellent compositional tools that have been used by many, many bands, lots of hit songs, they're also a great way to get that little group to move in concert. They move in unison. It's sort of like make it and shake it, but just moving it up and then playing it again. And we'll do the 2nd fret, we'll do it at the 4th fret, we'll do it, and you'll see I'll change guitars because I haven't put the tape on my fret markers here, so I have a hard time seeing them here. But we'll also see it at the 7th fret, so there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because my first finger is at the 7th fret, and we make that D chord and let it ring out. It's beautiful. And then up to Jimmy Page, right? Led Zeppelin, Over the Hills and Far Away. Something like that. There we go. It's there. It's just gorgeous. So find those things, head on into the play section. You have D to E over D. You have a G, an A at the 7th and the 9th fret. There you go. So I'll see you in the play section. I'll see you there.